When you need to return your EE box, understanding the key policies and processes will help ensure a smooth experience. EE provides several return options depending on your situation. EE offers three main return options. First, new customers have a 14-day cooling-off period where they can cancel for any reason and receive a full refund of equipment costs and unused service charges. Second, if your equipment is faulty, you have 30 days to return it for a free replacement or repair. This covers any performance issues or defects you discover after installation. Third, all EE boxes come with a 12-month warranty that covers manufacturing defects. During this period, repairs and replacements are completely free of charge. To start a return, you need to contact EE customer service. Call 150 from an EE mobile or 0800-956-6000 from a landline. They will provide you with a Return Merchandise Authorization or RMA number. The RMA process follows a structured workflow to ensure your return is handled efficiently. This flowchart shows the complete process from initial request to final resolution. For packaging, use the original packaging if you still have it, or EE will provide a return kit. Make sure to include all cables, remotes, and accessories that came with your TV box. EE provides a free prepaid return label, so there are no shipping costs for you. Simply attach the label and send the package using the specified courier service. Once you ship your return, the processing timeline is straightforward. EE typically receives packages within 2 to 3 business days using their prepaid labels. After EE receives your return, allow 5 to 10 business days for refund processing. This includes inspection of the equipment and processing of your refund back to your original payment method. Remember to keep your RMA number and tracking information for reference. EE's return process is designed to be straightforward and customer-friendly, ensuring you can return your TV box with confidence when needed. Before returning your EE TV box, there are several important steps to ensure a smooth process. Following these best practices will save you time and prevent potential issues. First, use EE's online diagnostic tools to troubleshoot any issues. Many problems can be resolved without returning the device, saving you time and effort. Keep all your documentation organized. This includes purchase receipts, installation records, and any warranty information. These documents will be essential for processing your return. Don't forget to back up any recorded content or personal settings. Once you return the device, this data will be lost permanently. During the return process, proper packaging and preparation are crucial. These steps ensure your device arrives safely and your return is processed quickly. Always use the original packaging if you still have it. This provides the best protection during shipping and shows you've taken proper care of the equipment. Return everything that came with your TV box. This includes all cables, the remote control, power adapter, and any other accessories. Missing items may delay your refund. Before packing, perform a factory reset to protect your personal data. This removes all your account information, recordings, and settings from the device. After sending your return, staying organized and monitoring the process ensures everything goes smoothly and you receive your refund promptly. Keep all tracking numbers and confirmation emails. These are your proof of return and will help resolve any issues that might arise during processing. Monitor your refund processing through your My EE account. You can track the status and see when your refund has been processed, which typically takes 5 to 10 business days. EE is continuously improving their return process through digital innovation and sustainability initiatives. These developments make returns more convenient and environmentally responsible. Digital self-service portals and mobile app integration are making return management easier than ever. You can now initiate returns, track progress, and manage the entire process from your smartphone. Sustainability is also a key focus. EE now operates refurbishment programs for return devices and partners with certified recycling facilities to minimize environmental impact. Premium customers enjoy enhanced return services that make the process even more convenient. These services demonstrate EE's commitment to providing exceptional customer experiences. Advanced replacement services provide same-day or next-day replacement devices, ensuring minimal disruption to your entertainment experience. These improvements in return processes, combined with digital innovation and premium services, ensure that returning your EETV box is as smooth and hassle-free as possible.